spend a day with me. So, ngayon, fit check, mainit. Nakapunta na nga tayo ng mall. We got the goods. The goods. And guys, hindi na tayo mamomroblema. So, ayun, nag-invest na lang tayo like for medyo pricey pero at the same time, alright, not price. Well, concentrated yung yung manga. So, yeah. Mapus ko ba to? Hindi ko alam. Proprio guys. So, let's go. Still the same. Okay, wait. I'm gonna enjoy my food na. Bye-bye. Ayun na guys. So, bumili na tayo ng socks. Kasi, why not?